Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix internet gets disconnected when VPN connects Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoots, click on troubleshooters, and after that run the network and internet. Now close it. The second method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening the command, type a command is ipconfig space slash flash DNS and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. After opening the device manager, select a network adapter and select a other network. Right click on update driver, click search automatic from drivers. Now you can see data Windows have successfully updated this driver. So update the driver and close it, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.